really, yeah, it really changed my life. And okay, not all my life, but technically, I mean, it changed everything for me. And now I just want to know more. That's it. I cannot even compare between my level before I start this training and now, because light and darkness, you see. This is me. Now I had this experience with the ABAP core, and I just want to move forward and know more and more. So for me, my biggest fear was the scam on internet. You know that we have a lot of scam, and many people, they are like pushing you to buy something, and then you didn't see anything. You didn't even hear from them. So then the second fear was the course itself and the way how you will teach me. And I wanted the course to be more with a guy who is talking good English, slowly, and yeah, that's it. In the beginning, before starting this course, I was always, when checking programs and all, I was always like reading. And of course, the programmers or developers, they don't do all the time same codes and same way of coding. So I was always feeling like lost. And I was always like admiring people who are kind of scanning the code and understanding everything, you know. In the beginning, I was convinced that people were kind of reading or scanning the code and understanding like this. But it's not true, because they still need to understand, to read the variable, tables, and declaration, everything. And now I'm more comfortable. I don't like judge myself, saying that I'm not good in programming. Why am I not able to understand? I'm like, okay, if I do not understand it, this logic means that it is done in a weird way somehow. It's not only my fault that I don't understand it. If I need more time to understand the code, means that the developer didn't do it in a correct way. I mean, maybe technically speaking it is correct, but readability, maintainability, etc. is not really good. Your course is really good. I will not say that it is really complete, and this is not the goal of any course. It cannot be complete, but you have really the main important things in there. And regarding the structure of your course, I mean, it's really amazing, because I had many teachers before in many domains, but your method is really good, because you are like, you are not talking a lot, you are not giving a lot of information, but you are kind of pushing like the student or the one who is learning to do things and to learn by himself, you see. It's not like filling information into each brain of any student in here, see. It's just shared, shared learning. You teach, and we should also do our part of, I don't know, of maybe effort to understand and to search a little bit also on the web, or and also to understand. And this is good, because when we learn, we need always to struggle, because without any struggle, we don't learn in general. And yeah, I will really tell you bravo. Bravo in French means, I don't know, bravo. Bravo, because it's really well done, really good. This method, I really like it, because it helps me. It helps me a lot. It helped me in your course, and in general, it helps a lot for me. And yeah, I like the videos as well, the music in the beginning and at the end. Yeah, it's really good, I think I will miss this music now. And yeah, the project as well, because it's kind of when you see the description of the project, you say, oh, it's okay, it's nothing. And then wow, you start coding, and then you discover many things and to do, and hidden stuff, a really smart way of pushing your student to do things, and really to improve and to struggle to learn by themselves. Yeah, it was since the first module it started already helping me, because I got back my my old algorithmic thinking way, which I forgot for a while. Because I didn't do any programming or any coding since 15 years maybe now, and suddenly this coding spirit came automatically to me when I started doing this bubble and all. So it was, in a way, it was helpful for me, or at least it started helping me at that time. And then little by little I started really appreciating the course when we did the SQL part, and the internal table, of course, and SQL part, because this is something you really, you find it everywhere in ABAP. It is. Actually, whenever I have a correction to do in a program, I do it myself. Of course, I always try to check with the developer to make sure that everything is fine and I did everything in a correct way. But I'm already doing things myself, and I feel like just awesome. And also it helps me every day in my debugging. Whenever I have a problem, I just go and debug, and I find, in general, I always find now where the problem is, you see. And this is, when you are working as business analyst or even developer, you have this kind of satisfaction and that good feeling, when you find the issue, and also, of course, the solution as well. It's really nice. It's a really good feeling. Just you said, oh, wow, I'm really strong. Yeah, long term, yes. But for now, I want to stay in my position as TechnoFuntional, because it's really great to do both, Really, wonderful. Perfect. Because you touch everything. You touch technical part and, functional part. And in general, developer, they don't touch the functional part as, I don't know, things that you don't have in your course, like user exits and how they are connected, and how to touch like user exits related to that module or that transaction, etc. This you don't have. This I know that developers, they don't know, because we should always give them the name of which user exit, which body, for example, which all those stuff. I would say to anyone who will join, do not hesitate. It will really change your life. It is a good training, and you cannot find any other training better than this one. No scam, no brain, feeling like this. There is nothing really to be afraid of, because it's a real training, and it's really good one. 5 stars.